Richards outside the 17, Andrew Shell. Row number 2, the 1, Caden Reynolds, the 105, Sheldon Oberle. Row number 3, the 20V, Dustin Viss, the 77W, Andrew Burke. Row number 4, the 28, Greg Gill, the 8K, Kyle Merkus. Row number 5, the 99X, Dallin Murdy. To his outside, the 99D, Damon Murdy. Row number 6, the 22, Tanner Allen. The 21 is Jeff Bone Larson. Row number 7, the 4K, Cody Miles. The 08, Bronson Spa. Row number 8, the 27Z, Jared Franson. The 12N, Gage Neal. Row number 9, the 7Z, Clay Hockaday. The 3T, Scooter Newland. Row number 10, the 23, Brendan Driscoll. The 4, Jerry Miles. Row number 11, the 01J, Jeremy Campbell. The A78 is Austin Borbeck. Row number 12, the B78, Brandon Vorbeck. The 37X, Mike Whiteman. Go, green, go, racing. 20 laps of feature racing, $1,000 to the winner. B&B All-Star Qualifier for the QCTeam.com IFCA Stockcar main event. M80, that's Kenny Richards. The 1 is Caden Reynolds. Five is Sheldon Oberle. Oh, we got one turned around. That's the 28, Greg Gill. Caution flag on the speedway. Caution is out for the 28 car of Greg Gill. Stockcar, IMCA Stockcars, here we go. M80 of Richards, your race leader. 105 of Oberle picking up a spot as he's cleared the 20B, Dustin Viss. Kenny Richards out front. The 1 of Keaton Reynolds goes second. The 105. Sheldon Oberle working third. 99X, the game changer. Alan Murdy looking to move up and challenge the 20B of Dustin Viss. The immediate outside of the 99X is Kyle Merkus. Kyle Merkus, the car number 8. We got one turned around. The car number 4. The car number 4, miles per hour. Jerry Miles turned around on the speedway. And go racing. 5 laps scored, 15 laps to go. Kenny Richards out of Montello, Wisconsin. Car number M80 to set the pace. Here we go. Richards out. Caution on the speedway once again. Caution is out. Here we go. The M80 of Richards, still your race leader, side by side for the number 2 spot. Oberle, and we got trouble. 37X Whiteman stopped on the speedway. The 72 Ellithorpe and the 16. That is the 16 of Dakota O'Connor involved, bringing out the Arnold Motor Supply caution flag. Punched up, nice and tight, down the back chute. Here we go. Third to the M80, the 105 Oberly now runs second as we're going to go 3 wide, down the back chute for the number 3 position. Reynolds on the outside, Marcus in the middle, this down low. Kyle Marcus, the car number 8, pulling alongside the car number 1 of Caden Reynolds. The M80 of Richard Duray through the 105 Overly in the number 2 position as we go side by side for the 3rd spot. Kyle Marcus, the 8 car, wheel to wheel with the 1 of Caden Reynolds. Johnny Richards hanging on to the reed. The 105 Overly. Just a little bit of a luck tap. Over at first, up to 4. We're still door to door for the 3rd spot. Marcus, the 8 car. Reynolds, the car number 1. Reynolds going to try to move to the outside of the 105 of Overly. We're halfway home. 10 left scored. 10 left to go. Yep, Bone Larson, the car number 21, has worked himself up into the 5th position. Game changer, the 99X looks to the outside of the 21 of Bone Larson. Those 2 drivers racing hard for the number 5 position. Still Richards working out front in the M80. 13 laps will be scored this time by 13 down, 7 to go. The game changer, the 99X, looking to move by the 8 car of Marcus. And Dallin Murray closing on the 1R of Caden Reynolds. Dallin Murray now working in the 4th position. This time, off of turn number 4, it's going to be 15 laps scored complete. 15 down, 5 to go. 01 Jay Campbell sitting on the back seat. He's up into the infield. We're going to stay green. 16 down right here. 4 laps to go. Bernie trying the top side of the racetrack, the 99X. Moving past the 1R of Reynolds, and Bernie now works the number 3 position. This time off of turn number 4, it's going to be 18 laps scored complete. 18 laps down, 2 laps to go right here for the M80 of Kenny Rickner. 2 laps to go. The Montello, Wisconsin driver is going to be looking at the white flag right now. The white is out for Kenny Richards. 1 to go. Checkered flag is going to be waving. Number 21, Jeff Bone Larson. Fourth will go to the 1K, Caden Reynolds. Third to the 99X. That is the car driven by Dallin Murdy. And second goes to the 105 of Sheldon Oberle. Tub of Towels night. B&B Chassis All-Star Qualifier. Brought us 29 really good IMCA stock car drivers here tonight. And the gentleman picking up the win made the long tow down from Montello, Wisconsin. Ladies and gentlemen, how about a nice hand for Kenny Richards? Kenny Richards.